In this video, I'm going to discuss how to create trust gifts in the balance of the state section. There's two ways you can do it. You can either do it with a macro or you can do it manually with the segment. So first of all, if you wanted to do a macro, you would just click on the Run Macro button, and then you could click any of the trust options that are pre-populated macros. So let's say we wanted the children trust 2 stages entire residue. So it's telling us that the duration of the trust will be to the age 30 with 25% at 25. So we can run that macro and there's the gift. However, maybe you like the idea of this macro, but you wanted different ages. So you can always edit the macro's details by clicking on the gray bar and then clicking on it again. And then I can make any changes I want. So maybe I want the duration at age 25 and stage lump sums. I'm going to change it to at age 21, they get 25%. Then I click save. And then those details are saved. So it's the trust that I wanted to create, even though I used the macro as a starting point. The other way you can do it is manually by adding a segment and a gift within the segment. So let's go add segment for 100%, and then we'll add our gift. And so up at the top, you're going to select trust instead of absolute. You can pick your beneficiaries. Let's choose the class of children. Then it's going to be 100% because we want it all to go to the children. The payout, here you can decide whether you want separate trusts or a pooled trust. If you want it to be an equal division, you're going to want to choose separate trusts. Then the trustees, are they the same as the executors? You can pick your duration. You have a couple of different options, the death of the beneficiary, the trustee's discretion. Let's say we're going to do an age. For this trust, we're going to say when they reach age 30. Then for mandatory payments, you can have a payment of income, you can do fixed annual amounts, or you can do staged lump sums at certain ages. So you just click to add a stage, you select the age, so let's say at 22. You could do a fixed amount, or it's more typical to do a percentage. You could also do a combination if you wanted. Let's say they're going to get 25% at 22. And if you wanted, you could even add another stage. So you would just go to the add stage. Let's say at 25, they're going to get another 10% and then done. What we don't need to do is add 30, at the age of 30, the duration of the trust as the last stage. So you're only going to add the stages that are going to be for the interim. The final stage is going to be whatever you set this duration as. Then you can limit discretion if you want. You can keep it as unlimited, and then here's your gift over. Then we'll go ahead and add, and now that gift's added to the system. So that's how you add trust gifts in the balance of the estate section.